In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add a video file, select Gallery. Now tap on your video right away if it's recent, and if it's not, select Folders, look for it here and tap on it. To add an audio file though, select Files section, hit Audio at the top and look for it in one of those apps, over here in Recent Files, or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!